Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. I have a tiny tip for you today. So, last week I reached out to the data community. I was buried in a massive data source with lots and lots of calculations and just trying to pick through this spaghetti noodle mess of aliases and renaming. And it struck me that it's just really difficult sometimes to follow the name of the source as it comes in, the field as it comes in from the source, and then what it gets changed to. If you've ever tried to swap a data source, um, maybe you know the pain here. Long story short, a lot of great ideas came out from the community, and one that really, I think, helped me with my problem that I wanted to share. And I think this was Matt Francis that shared this idea. So, to kind of look at what we have, I'm using Superstore data on a dashboard that I recently built. I have never really paid attention to the fact that there are four headers here for this portion of the data, and it's describing the type, field name, physical table, yeah. Never really looked twice at this. There's a column called remote field name. Haha, this is what the field was renamed in Tableau. Field name is what it is coming in from the source. There you go. For what I was working on, I simply highlighted the whole table, copied it, put it into Excel, and I was able to do is this equal to this, true or false? And I had my list of what fields were being aliased or renamed. With that being said, one way that I like to handle renaming is simply by opening up a calculation, and let's say you want to name category something else. Instead of actually renaming it or aliasing it, just create a calculation. Oops, if I can type. Rename for header. There's lots of other great ways and tips that the community has shared on what do you do if you don't want it to appear as category, if you need it to appear as something else. How do you handle that? This is just one idea that I have seen that works for me. I create a calculation and rename it, and then notate what it is that you're doing. This helps with the lineage so that you can understand, and it leaves a little breadcrumb trail for those that may be inheriting your workbook at some point in time. Just don't alias or rename fields, please. Thank you. There's your tiny tip. If you have any other ideas on how to deal with source data being renamed, please share in the comments. That way we can all learn and improve. But for now, have a happy Tuesday. Bye.